Hey guys, welcome back to our how-to landscape photography vlog series for beginners. Today we're going to go over shooting your vlog with one camera. All right, let's jump into the video. While it's great to have two cameras out in the field, one to record you while you're taking your compositions and everything, it is not essential, and there may be even a few reasons why you might not want to take two cameras. All right, you might not be able to afford a second camera right now. I'm in that boat. I can't afford a second B camera. I probably would get one, but it's just not in my budget right now. I got a lot going on with my life, my family, new house, and it's just not in the budget. So that's something I can't afford right now. So it's kind of an easy choice when the choice is made for you financially. But secondly, you might not even want to take two cameras out in the field. Say you're doing a long hike or a rough terrain, or it's a multi-day camping trip. You don't always want to take so much gear. I mean, two tripods, two cameras, that's a lot to take when you're doing like a multi-day trip. It's hard to do that, so you might not even want to take two. All right, let's talk about workflow. When you have one camera, you really need to be efficient with your workflow and how you record. And there's a couple ways that I get my talking points done before I take my shot. The first is just to hold your camera and do regular vlog style. You can do that before you put your tripod down, or you can even hold your whole tripod and get your talking points before you get the shot. Second way is to frame up your composition, then stand in front of the camera and deliver your talking points before you take your composition. And that's a great way to do it as well. Third way is to just frame up your composition and discuss it and maybe put your hand in and point things out while you talk. I do suggest though, if you do that way, you do some good B-roll in between, because it gets monotonous looking at a static screen for so long. So break it up with some B-roll and that'll keep things interesting. But one thing that has really helped me a lot in the field is I've set a preset dial to all my video settings, so I can just crank to that preset and I'm almost ready to go. So I have it set up for 24 frames a second at 4K, 100 megabits a second. I have the shutter at 1/50th of a second. My ISO I put at 200 so I can be flexible there and just move it as I need when I turn that preset on. And my white balance I keep on shade because I usually like a little warmer tone, but those are easily adjustable. So I'll fire up my preset anytime I need to take a clip, adjust my exposure either with aperture or ISO, and set my white balance if I need to change anything, and I'm ready to record. So that really helps speed things up when I'm going from stills to video, is to have one of your custom dial presets set up to just right away take video. It's not too hard using one camera to landscape photography vlog. You just got to get creative with your workflow and efficiency, how you get your B-roll, how you get your talking head shots. You really can do it pretty well and still make great content. So I just want to let you know you can do this with one camera. Don't let that stop you from getting out there and making great videos. All right guys, I appreciate it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and we'll see you next time. Peace.